Hi guys, so I am up on, hair. Hi guys, so I am up on our balcony right now. As you can see, this is actually the front of the house that we are staying at. And today I'm going to be doing a tour of our studio that we made at our place. And this is where we take pictures and videos and just really where we make content, and we feel like we found such a great place. I wanted to make this video just because we are moving soon and I'm really going to miss this place that we've rented out for a few months. I've made so many great memories here with my partner, and I really wanted to make this video just to remember like what it looked like, and yeah, it's really just for memories and for myself. This is a very different video than what I usually do just because I'm going to be filming it on my phone and Vlad's not here to film with me. Alright, so let's head inside. So this is what it looks like from the balcony. We are really grateful that it is included in our rent and that our rent is very affordable because we currently stay at one of my friend's place right now. So she's been so generous to us and letting us stay at her place, especially right now because of the coronavirus. You know, like times are very hard, so she's been very generous to us. I flipped the camera around just so you guys can get a better view of our small little studio. This is actually the door that we enter through usually. And so when you walk in, it looks like this. I hung some of my clothes. Some of these are honestly just like my favorite pieces that I love to wear. I have my table over here. So this is just my workspace where I like to edit my videos. It's like my productive space. I'm gonna have my sewing kit here on the side. I actually just recently learned how to sew, literally like yesterday, and I'm really excited to be sharing some future sewing videos with you guys. Just a little bit more about my desk. Over here, this is a painting that my sister made. She sells prints of them. My sister, she is a tattoo artist. Ink by a baller or bayar if you say it in Tagalog. Yeah, like she does a lot of watercolor work, so if you like that type of art, make sure to check her out. Anyways, next to my desk I have my acoustic guitar over here, which I really should play more, and also have my little box of bath bombs. So here's a little peek of my bath bomb collection. Here is all, well, not even all, but this is like a pretty decent amount of my bath bombs. Let's open one up here. It's this one. It has, oh, the turtle one for my video. I don't know if you guys have seen the last unboxing video I made. That's from there. Honestly, that's not even all of my bath bombs. I have more in my closet, but you know, it's fine, guys. It's fine. No one needs to know. Okay, so moving on, right behind my desk, I have a cloth, and this is what we actually use to film a lot of product photography for my partner. But yes, I use this cloth to hide the mess that my partner has with his photography stuff back there because he literally refuses to clean it up. And what this cloth is actually hiding is my boyfriend's photography stuff. I just use it to hide that because it's a mess back here, and that's some creepy doll that I'm trying to sell. Okay, moving on. This is our yoga mats that we have here. We also like to use this room to work out, so the blue one's Vlad's and the other one on the left is mine. And we also have my Polaroid and a flower crown I like to use for pictures sometimes, and some paintings I've made. If you guys are into bohemian, like anime style type paintings and want one, just hit me up. Right here. I don't know, just throwing it out there. Okay, so once again, our doors, and from where we walked in earlier, this is just my cases that I keep. Well, it's my tambourine, my cases for my guitar and my ukulele. This is my partner's electric guitar. Even though he doesn't practice nor know how to play guitar, he has an electric guitar that he thrifted, so at least props to him for thrifting that, but he needs to practice. Not that I'm amazing at guitar either or anything, but at least I know how to play basics. We also have my little succulent. Oh my god, guys, like, I feel like it's dying. Like, I feel like I suck at taking care of succulents. Like, I just don't know what to do with it. Like, Is this overwatered or underwatered? Like, you tell me, guys, because I'm not that good with plants. But this one, her name is Petra. She's still alive, so it is. But if you have advice for how to take care of succulents, like, please let me know. Okay, so now moving on again, we have my dried out white roses over here that Vlad has given me before, and we have my favorite color, my light blue ukulele, and my scrapbook, and just my Karopi pillow I like to sit on sometimes when I make videos. And then we have some more succulents here. This one is named Flora. This one is Karina. Karina kind of looks like she's dying, to be honest. She's always looked like that. And this one is Steve. Okay, and then next to that I have my Harry Potter one, and also my painting that my old friend gave me with Squidward, and my flowers, my violets. I don't remember if I named these ones, but if I were to name it, it'd probably just be Violet, to be honest, because the Violet, I know, so basic. But I mean, luckily she's still kind of surviving. I don't know how. Do you guys name your plants? Because I feel like for me, it makes me take care of them more because they're like a person, you know. You want to care for them. You want to be like, oh my god, like Steve looks like he's thirsty, he needs some water, like let me go water him. And then next to Violet, we have my Lush poster I won from when I used to work at Lush during our Halloween competition, and I have our door to our bedroom with our little white dream catcher over there. I don't want to show you guys our bedroom just because it's messy, and since we're moving, it's not how I want it to look, you know. It can be better, so you guys deserve to see better than that. That's why I'm not going to show it to you guys. Moving on from the bedroom, in the center, we just like to keep this wall blank just because we like to use it for pictures. We like to create content with a plain white wall sometimes, so we have this, and we have this stool, and we have our light ring over here, which is really great for video, and we have our camera stand over here, and oh, there I am with my sandals. Ooh, let's try that again. Sandals. Moving on, I also have, this is like my art box that I thrifted. Ooh, let me back up so you can also see me. Hello guys. This is our wooden box I thrifted from the thrift store, and I use it to hold all of my art supplies, like for painting. And we have some more dried out roses on the side that Vlad gave me. If you haven't noticed, I like white roses. Yes, if you couldn't tell. Okay guys, so we are going to get out of the studio room and we are going to explore just some other bedrooms. Not bedrooms, just some other rooms that we also use in the house. Alright, so this next room I'm showing you guys is one of my closets. So this one is literally just for mainly my bags and shoes and socks. So it's mainly just like my accessories, and I have my clothes in another closet, and we have some of Vlad's shoes over here too, just some of them. But yes, I know I have a problem with shoes. I'm trying to be more minimalistic and buy less things, but you know, being into fashion and all, and shoes are, I have a problem. And I actually, I think I made a video of like a part of my shoe collection if you guys want to check it out. But yes, like, I'm a shoe lover. Not sorry. Majority of these shoes, guys, I actually thrifted. So I'm proud of myself for at least thrifting them. Not as bad. But anyways, guys, we are going to move out of my shoe accessory room. We're gonna go into the bathroom. Hello, so this is our bathroom. Here, well, yeah, this is it. So here's a painting I got from Anime Expo before. Ooh, pin dropped. No! You didn't see that.
A few moments later.
So over here we have my water pick that I like to use. We have some refillable floss. It's apparently compostable, but we're still working on the whole compost thing. I have my tooth floss and Vlad's dental hygiene, so he actually can't use tooth powder just because Vlad has to use like a prescribed toothpaste and regular toothpaste because it has fluoride in it, whereas tooth powder doesn't. But moving on, we have some you know, bar soap. This is some toys I made for Toys for Smiles. If you don't know what Toys for Smiles is, a organization in Vegas that donates toys to children in need. They make wooden toys, so I used to volunteer for them through my organization, Circle K and Alpha Phi Omega back then, and I would help make wooden toys for children. Moving on, this is my container that has my solid moisturizer in it. We have some lighters in here, and then this is a wooden postcard I got from Reno when I visited my best friend. And this is the lovely air plant she got me from Reno also. And she got it for me for my birthday, so thank you, Alexis, I love you. Over here is our shower and also my makeup, which I'm also trying to narrow down, and like some skincare. I know, okay, don't get mad at me guys, I use a reusable metal ear cleaner, but those are Vlad's because he's still working on it. But you know what, that's okay. And yeah, that is it guys. Okay, I thought it would be better to finish it in this room, but yes, that is the end of our tour of our in-home studio. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of our home for the past few months, and if you would like to see more of me, just hit the subscribe button down below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Please comment on this video if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and I look forward to seeing you guys. You have a beautiful day. Bye guys.